Hello all, welcome to a new semester where we will be focusing upon personal laws under the course curriculum Family Law 1. Here we will be focusing specifically upon marriage, divorce, maintenance. Then we will also be focusing upon the concepts such as guardianship, legitimacy, and so on and so forth. Inheritance falls squarely under Family Law 2 syllabus. So here we are just focusing upon marriage and family structure. Now, since it is very specific to each and every individual person, it is called as personal law. Even though it is territorially bound, it is still called as personal law because based upon the religion a person follows, these laws vary. And when we look at the landscape of personal laws in India, we could see that as far as the Hindus are concerned, it has evolved. The laws have evolved from the Vedic structure into that of a codified law, which in the current day scenario faces various different judicial interpretation depending upon the needs and the demands of the society and the needs of the time. Therefore, we accept that it is non-static in nature. When we look at the Muslim law, it has generally preserved its religious form, but there are selective reformation here and there, such as reformation with respect to that of triple talaq, reformation with respect to that of maintenance laws, which we will be looking at in greater detail over the course period. Then there is Christian law, which is something that we have simply imported from the colonial era. When the Britishers entered into India, they brought their own Christian laws, and that forms the basis of the laws that are applicable for the Christians with respect to that of marriage, divorce, maintenance, and so on and so forth in India. The legislative directory is somewhat like this. The Hindus are governed by Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, Succession, Minority and Guardianship. When we are talking about Muslims, it is Muslim Dissolution of Marriage Act, Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act. But what we need to understand is the basis that we follow is the Sharia law. Then there are the Christian Acts, the Indian Divorce Act, the Indian Christian Marriage Act. And then there is also the JJ Act, Juvenile Justice Act, which allows for secular manner of adoption. These are some of the laws that we will be looking into. Apart from these, there is also the modern structure which permits intercaste and interreligious unions through Special Marriage Act, which helps an individual overcome the religious and the caste-based taboos when they want to get married to a person belonging to the another sect or another religion. These are the basic things that we will be looking at throughout the semester. Apart from that, we will also have a little bit of a peek into Uniform Civil Code, surrogacy laws, and transgender laws. So this is the basic outlay of what you can expect this semester. In our next video, we will be having a look at the very basics of the Hindu jurisprudence. With this, I am winding up for the day. Thank you. Have a good day.